Heavy equipment insurance is an insurance product that provides protection against damage or loss of heavy equipment due to various risks, such as collision, fire, and natural disasters. Heavy equipment insurance can provide various benefits for heavy equipment owners, including maintain financial stability. Heavy equipment insurance can help heavy equipment owners maintain financial stability if heavy equipment is damaged or lost due to risks covered by the insurance policy. Protect investments. Heavy equipment insurance can help heavy equipment owners protect their investment in heavy equipment. Fulfill legal obligations. In some cases, heavy equipment owners have a legal obligation to insure their heavy equipment, such as when the heavy equipment is used for work in public locations. There are various types of heavy equipment insurance available, including basic heavy equipment insurance provides protection for damage or loss of heavy equipment due to collision, fire, and natural disasters. Additional heavy equipment insurance provides additional benefits, such as protection against damage due to theft, riots, and other risks. There are several things to consider when choosing heavy equipment insurance, including need. Make sure you choose an insurance product that suits your needs. For example, if your heavy equipment operates in a hazardous environment, you may consider choosing an insurance product with wider additional benefits. The value of coverage. Make sure the insurance policy coverage value matches the value of your heavy equipment. Insurance premium. Heavy equipment insurance premiums will add to your expenses. Make sure you choose an insurance product with a premium that suits your budget. If you are considering purchasing heavy equipment insurance, you should consult with an insurance agent to get more complete information. Here are some tips for choosing heavy equipment insurance. Compare different offers. Ask for quotes from several insurance companies to compare premiums, benefits, and terms and conditions. Pay attention to the insurance company's reputation. Choose an insurance company that has a good reputation and is trustworthy. Understand insurance policies. Before signing an insurance policy, make sure you understand all the terms and conditions. By choosing the right heavy equipment insurance, you can protect your heavy equipment from various risks and maintain your financial stability. The following are some examples of risks that can be covered by heavy equipment insurance: crash, fire, natural disasters, theft, riot, work accident, damage due to transportation. Heavy equipment insurance can provide invaluable protection for heavy equipment owners. By choosing the right insurance product, you can protect your investment and maintain your financial stability.